All right, guys, so check this out. I got a lock on my hitch. Don't have the key. I'm gonna show you how to get this off really quick. So the first thing I did, I'm gonna take this, just kind of make sure it's freed up. I need a little bit of a gap right here so I can get in there and cut it. Got my Milwaukee Fuel hacksaw. This is one of the Diablo blades. I'll put a link to that. These things are awesome for metal. I'm gonna get in here and just nice and easy. And just like that, it's off. So nice and easy, didn't tear anything up on the truck, and got through there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.